Hi there, my name is Mike Brennan. I am working on a credential for social science for high school, and for this assignment and for this lesson plan, I've been working on a lesson plan for a human geography course focused around climate change, focused around humanitarian issues, and focused specifically on recent events in the Caribbean. In light of recent events and climate-related news, around destruction in the Caribbean, students in this class and during this lesson will investigate the geography of the islands and delve into political and economic issues that face contemporary Caribbean societies. They'll work in groups, collaborative groups, to research the lives of people in upwards of 28 different nations in the region. And they'll focus specifically on how the nations are preparing for the new reality of climate change and how natural features of the region are presenting challenges, obstacles, and opportunities for people in these regions. The lesson in its entirety, when it's completely designed out, will be multi-day. It will be problem-based learning, and it will begin with a pre-assignment and a pre-assessment. So the pre-assignment and the pre-assessment of this lesson presents opportunities for 5 different groups of students to have a pre-assignment that gets them ready for the start of the lesson. And working in this class, the different subgroups of students would be high performing, average performing, struggling, English language, and special needs. As a teacher, the pre-assignments for each student group would be different. The differentiated instruction, the differentiated assignments would be given to students a few days beforehand to set them up for success. An example, and in the video that I'll be presenting for the lesson itself, an example of differentiated instruction and assignment for English language learners would revolve around a focus on vocabulary and key terms. An example, for example, high achieving and high performing students is a pre-lesson component, a research component focused specifically on the political nature of particular nations. The differentiated instruction is important because when the lesson begins, the teacher almost immediately will put the group into collaborative groups. Groups of 4. These groups will be a combination of students from all different types of groups, and the students will work together over the course of the lecture and lesson to prepare a problem-based learning solution to these major issues. So the teacher really will have to set the stage for each group through the pre-assignment, and then in the first day, understand that their instruction will need to be fluid and also need to ensure that every group is working together and therefore every student has a part in the class. So it really is a lesson that's aiming to provide different opportunities for students to find success and to utilize their strengths and to encourage students to work together collaboratively. Thanks.